Welcome to Education Talks, the podcast that helps students achieve their full potential. Today's episode is all about becoming an exceptional student. And that's what we're talking about, becoming an exceptional student, how to go beyond the ordinary. When you say a student is exceptional, um, what did they really do? How did they go beyond the ordinary? And we're talking about it here, right here, because I have been privileged to teach, to coach exceptional students. And to some of them, were just ordinary. Mm, okay. So, what does it mean to go beyond just passing your classes and achieving great grades? How can you stand out, not just in school, but in life? Important. Let's dive into the habits, mindset, and strategies that can help you become an exceptional student. Let's start by defining what makes a student exceptional, because I get I get asked this all the time. What makes this exceptional? Why is she exceptional? Why am I not exceptional? It's more than just being smart or getting top marks in every subject. Please know that. It's more than just being smart or getting top marks in every subject. Exceptional students are those who push the boundaries of what's expected of them. It's not just passing. Just no, 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 no. It goes beyond that. It is pushing the boundaries of what's expected of them. They are the ones who don't just complete the assignment, they go above and beyond. They don't just focus on grade, they focus on learning, they focus on growth and making a meaningful impact. But here's the truth, you don't have to be perfect to be exceptional. So if you're wondering, you don't have to be perfect to be exceptional. You just have to commit to excellence, no matter your circumstances. Let's talk about the habits that exceptional students cultivate. The first thing they cultivate is commitment to continuous learning. Exceptional students never stop learning. They don't wait for the classroom to teach them everything. They read books, watch educational videos, and yeah, and you see them hanging around in Geotech because Geotech is an educational YouTube channel focused on CIE and EdXL and even tech, right? So they watch educational videos and they seek out new knowledge outside of school. They see every challenge as an opportunity to grow, not just in their academic life, but in all areas. The next thing exceptional students cultivate is consistency and discipline. Exceptional students show up every day. They show up every day, even when they don't feel like it. They don't rely on burst of motivations to do their work. They rely on discipline. They set clear goals. They set clear goals and work steadily towards them, knowing that small, consistent effort lead to big results. Another thing that exceptional students cultivate is time management mastery. Not just time management, but time management mastery. They understand the value of time. They understand the value of time. Exceptional students are able to manage their time effectively, balancing schoolwork, extracurriculars, and social life without feeling overwhelmed. They prioritize their tasks and make sure to leave time for self care and relaxation. They play. Don't get me wrong. Exceptional students, they play. but they stay and they put in the work in the day. Another thing that exceptional students cultivate is goal oriented mindset. Exceptional students don't just show up, they have a clear vision of where they want to go. They set long term goals and break them down into smaller, achievable steps. They know that success is a journey and they make sure to stay on track, even when it gets difficult. Another thing that exceptional students cultivate is being proactive, not reactive. Being proactive. Instead of waiting for things to happen, exceptional students make things happen. They take charge of their education by seeking opportunity for growth, whether it's asking questions in class, participating in extra activities, or exploring new passion. One key factor that separates exceptional students from the rest is their mindset. Exceptional students have a growth mindset. Please know that. Exceptional students have a growth mindset. They believe that intelligence and ability can be developed through dedication and hard work. This is in contrast to a fixed mindset where students believe that their abilities are limited and unchangeable. So let's explore how a growth mindset makes all the difference. Well, okay, good mindset, okay. But let's explore it. The first thing is embracing challenges. Many students don't like challenges. They're okay with the normal. You don't like challenges. No, 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 no. Exceptional students do. Students with a growth mindset don't shy away from challenges. They embrace them, knowing that overcoming challenges is the key to growth. They see failure not as a defeat, but as a valuable lesson. Every setback is an opportunity to learn and improve. Perseverance in the face of adversity. That's one. Another one that exceptional students has a growth mindset that makes all the difference. Perseverance in the face of adversity. Growth minded students don't give up when the going gets tough. They persist through difficulty and setbacks, knowing that hard work and resilience will pay off. Enjoying the process. That's another growth mindset that makes a difference. Exceptional students don't just care about the outcome, they enjoy the process of learning. They're curious, passionate, and engaged in the subject matter. When you love what you do, it's easier to go above and beyond, and the passion shines through in everything you do. Being an exceptional student isn't just about academics. I would think we've established that already. It's about becoming a well rounded individual. Here are some ways exceptional students go beyond the classroom. They build strong relationships. That's one of them. Exceptional students build relationship with their peers, teachers, and mentor. They understand that success isn't just about what you know, but who you know and how you collaborate with others. Networking, building trust, and offering help to others is an integral part of being exceptional. It's about engaging in extracurriculars. Whether it's sport, music, or voluntary or internship, exceptional students actively seek extracurricular opportunities that help them grow in other areas. These activities teach time management, leadership, teamwork, and resilience, skills that go beyond the classroom. Another one is developing soft skills. Being exceptional means being more than just a good student. It's about cultivating skills like communication, leadership, emotional intelligence. Exceptional students know that these skills are just as important as academic knowledge in building a successful future. So, becoming an exceptional student doesn't require perfection, it requires commitment, discipline, and a desire to constantly improve. No matter where you are in your academic journey, you can start building these habits and mindset today. The road to success is paved with dedication and hard work. So, if today's episode inspired you to go beyond the ordinary, share with a friend who's striving for excellence. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and any of our podcast platforms for more insight on becoming the best version of yourself. Let's continue this journey of success together. You've got this. And remember, Education Talk is all about you striving for excellence and you becoming the best version of yourself. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.